In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Solarpunk game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application, and once you are taken into the store page, go ahead and click on the search box. And now you can just type in Solarpunk to begin your search. Once you find the game, just click on it, and this will take you into the game page, where you can check out the trailer and the reviews. Scroll down and click on the Add to Cart button, alongside your preferred bundle or edition. You can then click on View My Cart to continue towards your payment. You can then use your Steam wallet balance or any one of the payment methods from the drop-down menu. Just enter your credentials followed by your billing information. And you can also save this payment information for later use. After you have completed your transaction, the game will be added to your library. You can then choose your install location to begin the download and installation of the game. Once it is done, you may start enjoying the Solarpunk game on your device. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install Solarpunk on your PC. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.